He's got it.
I'd set it right here, Liam. Yeah, there you go. This is the sun's real bright right here. But it'll be.
You had it in a T. Remember?
Yes.
Make sure everything is
Thanks.
perfect then.
I need to handle the, I need to be able to hold, oh look, see the smoke is starting to illuminate.
Illuminate.
Illuminate, yeah.
With the way that's done, it's going like right there.
I mean, perhaps it's a good thing because like, all right,
Careful, you're gonna burn your hand.
yeah, like this.
Watch your hands, dude. Your hands are right in the focal zone.
They're not. Oh shit. Oh, it's almost broken.
What?
It almost broke.
Is it working?
It is.
Whoa.
Oh my god.
Hold on. I gotta get.
Oh, sick. Like over that, I think you're casting a shadow. But oh my god, that is sick. Check that out. Solar
Wow.
energy out of junk.
Out of a plate, a can.
That's a working solar engine.
Oh my god, look at how fast it's going. Whoa.
You better be careful. Don't burn your.
Yeah, no, don't worry. That's just the labeling. That's just the labeling smoke. Oh my god, look at it. Whoa.
What
Whoa,
happened?
there.
What happened? Did it pop?
Yeah, look, it just broke right here.
Oh wow.
But damn, that's how much force we just got out of this, out of the
solar. Wow.
the solar collector thingy.
That's so cool.
Now,
It even worked when we put this
yeah.
like down.
Yeah, you
Uh-huh.
really gotta test it out with a smaller flame to make sure it can actually run before putting it on something powerful
Yeah.
like that. Otherwise, the balloon might pop off,
Yeah.
or it might break off somewhere, or it won't will have too much friction to even run.
That's so cool.
But yeah, that's how it's done.